Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick and helpful video to any of you trying to find, guys, where the heated steering wheel, if you have a heated steering wheel, guys, where you can find the fuse for it if it doesn't work. We're going to demonstrate on that Jeep Cherokee from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll cover that, and if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we're going to share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can see where we get them from, and also, guys, okay, that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, heated steering wheel, fuses and relays, let's demonstrate on that Jeep Cherokee, that generation Jeep Cherokee, where you can find it. But quick advice, guys, there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee that most owners do not know where they are. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. Next thing, guys, we need to do, open the hood and facing your engine. By the way, we will have hundreds of videos taking that engine apart and fixing almost anything on it. On the right side of the engine is your main engine fuse box, that's on the driver's side. The two tabs here, squeeze them together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And now the heated steering wheel fuse, guys. Let's explain where it's located, then we'll talk about a relay. So if you come right here, you see that fuse here, that's known as fuse number 85. That fuse is for the heated steering wheel, guys. You will need to check that fuse. But now, you don't have any relays. However, you may need to check fuses for the steering column. We will have that video on the channel. If you still have problems not working, check that, guys. Steering column, fuses, relays. Another thing, okay, that sometimes can cause it not working is a bad clock spring. We'll have a video on the channel how to replace clock spring as well. Those are the main things we check usually. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.